Start unloading the logs on conveyor 1. Activating conveyor now.
Have you ever wondered how everyday products are actually made? Behind every pencil, every tool, every simple object you use, there is a massive world of machines, precision, and engineering that most people never see. Welcome to AJ Factory Flow.
Humidity levels stabilizing in Zone 3.
Acknowledged. Increasing temperature by 2 degrees.
This is not just a channel.
Adjusting conveyor speed by 2% to optimize drying. Confirm synchronization team.
Confirmed. Synchronization successful. Line efficiency stabilizing.
It's a journey inside real manufacturing. We take you deep into factories, production lines, and industrial processes where raw materials are transformed into finished products with extreme precision. From cutting-edge machines to robotic arms, from raw wood to finished colored pencils, from simple materials to high-quality products. Everything you see here follows real-world industrial flow. You will discover how products are designed, processed, tested, and packed inside massive modern factories around the world. Every video is made to show you the hidden side of industry in a cinematic and satisfying way. If you love engineering, machines, manufacturing, or satisfying factory processes, then this channel is built exactly for you. You don't just watch videos here, you experience how the world is built.
Humidity levels are stable at 40%.
Excellent. Coating adhesion should be optimal on this batch.
Step by step. So don't forget to subscribe to AJ Factory Flow. And turn on the bell icon. Because here, every machine tells a story and every factory has a flow. See you in the next production.
The impact force at 14.8 newtons is consistent across the last 5 cycles. But look at the displacement variance here. The green model shows higher stress fractures. Check the sensor calibration on line 3. Rework rate is spiking. Confirmed. I'm seeing the same anomaly on conveyor diagnostics.
The AI-powered scanners analyze lacquer smoothness in real time, ensuring every pencil meets our rigorous quality standards.
Efficiency is holding steady at 98%. Look at the Punjab route optimization. Confirmed, the sorters are handling the volume increase smoothly. Dispatch confirmed pallet 45B is prioritized.
These samples show no signs of bleeding or cracking under the humidity stress test.
The data confirms the stability at 50% RH.
From these towering racks, millions of colored pencils flow through the dispatch corridor, guided by precision automation toward export.